What's up, everyone? Today is the 3rd of August 2021. It's Tuesday. I didn't do too much here today. I ended up closing out 2 monthly trades early just to kind of free up the buying power for other stuff. And then I opened up 1 trade down here in Tesla. So I guess real quick here, back near the top, this Twitter strangle for the monthly September expiration. I guess I got kind of sick of looking at it. So 11 days later, I closed it out for a 41-cent profit, or $41 on 1 contract. That's only 23% of my max profit, which is only 5.8% return on capital. But after kind of switching to these weekly options, the monthly options just seem to move painfully slow. So it's kind of testing my patience, or I guess one that I'm failing. So I'm just kind of trimming back these monthly options and then redeploying the capital into weekly options. So that Twitter one, and then down here I also closed this SPY Iron Condor in 7 days and collected just $22, which was 20% of the max profit, which actually that's not terrible. And that gives me 5.6% return on capital. And again, same kind of story there. Actually, for an Iron Condor, getting 20% in 7 days, that's actually not too bad. So I just took it. It's kind of a quick winner, even though that cost me $4 to make 22. I still come out 18 bucks ahead, but whatever. Again, that just frees up some capital to open more trades, like the one here at the bottom of Tesla. So today I've been toying with selling these vertical puts on Tesla multiple times here, but I only did it once last week, and I wanted to keep doing it, but I don't know. Tesla, it's kind of a wild card. But I couldn't resist. I finally sold one. I sold the 680, 670 vertical put for August 6th, and it's just 3 days away. I collected 95 cents. So that means that's a 10-point wide spread, which means my max loss would be $1,000, but I collected 95 cents or 95 bucks. So then that turns my max loss into $905. So you just got to be aware of the risk there. However, my buying power effect and my max loss is locked in because it's a vertical spread, where pretty much everything else here that I sell is some sort of naked put or call, or the strangles are naked as well. So anyways, Tesla, I just sold one at 95 cents. And when I opened it here, the deltas were the 15 and the 10. That gives me 79% pop, a 79% P50, and the IV rank was pretty low at 3.2. At this point, I'm pretty bullish on Tesla. I feel like $700, now that it's broken that level, is going to be a pretty strong support level. And I think people are just, it's almost a meme stock in my opinion. And I think a lot of people think it's going much higher, back up to 900 in the all-time highs. So I'm comfortable selling this vertical put spread. Obviously, if you're not, don't do it. You know, I probably won't let this expire worthless. Even though I say expire worthless, I actually don't literally mean that. I usually mean like close it at 5 cents or 10 cents or whatever. So, or 90% of the max profit. In theory, you can let the options expire worthless, but technically there's still risk because people can exercise options for like an hour and a half after the market closes on that Friday. And so if you close it out, then you don't have to worry about it, where in theory you could have a worthless option expire, but then for whatever reason the dummy on the other side of the contract will decide to exercise the contract, and all of a sudden you have a bunch of shares of stock instead of just getting the premium. Or what can actually happen, probably more likely, is that there's a big move after hours. For whatever reason, there could be some sort of news catalyst or something. And, you know, if you sell the 680 vertical put and then for some reason there's a catalyst and it tanks to like 600 bucks, well, it's after hours. You can't manage your option at all. But the person on the other side, all of a sudden they are in the money. So the buyer wants to be in the money, right? So then all of a sudden that's going to get exercised, and then it, you know, you can get out of it, but it just kind of turns into this little headache that you don't want to deal with, right? Or total cluster F potentially. So anyways, when I say expire worthless, I actually mean close it out on the last day of the trade for, you know, hopefully a few pennies or maybe like 10 or 15 cents, right? All right, I got things to do. I think that covers everything for now. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.